Musicians or not, we all love to listen to music, whether we are working, studying, or even with friends. We love to incorporate it in our daily lives that somehow we can't just live without it. And since this video is about making money, what if you can earn money by listening to music? What if you could press a button on your phone or computer that would pay you money every time you listen to your favorite song? Yes, it is a thing that works. So pay attention to this video because I'll tell you everything about it. So follow every second of this video and watch till the end and learn how to make money online using this method. With this strategy, you'll learn how to earn money on a regular basis by simply pressing a button on your phone and listening to music. Imagine waking up in the morning and simply turning on your music money-making machine, then going on with your day, having a nice meal and earning money while listening to your favorite tunes. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to all your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. The first thing we'll need to do is create a PayPal account. This is how we'll get our money from the several websites that I'll show you in today's video. Click here to go to paypal.com and click on the sign up button after creating a simple personal account, and that's all there is to it. In no time, you'll have your account up and running. You can do this and earn money from this website from anywhere in the world. There is no need to pay for a premium membership to use this. So how do I get paid? The RadioEarn.com website will pay you with PayPal because many people are already familiar with it. It's very simple and easy. Right here, you can see the live statistics of all the different listeners from around the world. This website has already paid out this amount to its users worldwide. The website has a number of users from all over the world listening to music right now and earning money. You can zoom in and out right here to see the number of people who are currently earning money. Sign up for an account on this website by clicking this button. Then provide them with the necessary information to successfully create your account and view your very own dashboard. Once you have access to your dashboard, you'll choose one of 3 radio stations right here and you'll be paid every couple of minutes of listening. The points will be added directly to your account and later converted into real actual cash. But before you can start earning money with this method, make sure to input your payment details here on this page. Simply enter the details of your newly created PayPal account or whatever payment method you want to use. Now to start listening and earning money, click on this button right here. Once you click on the radio station, another tab will open. Simply click on this play icon over here. The best thing about this method is that you can just leave it in the background. After the requisite number of minutes, you will switch to another station, and that's all there is to it for this platform, which is simple to use and intuitive. So give it a shot right now. I found another website called CashForMinute.com that pays you for listening to music on your phone. All you have to do is to go to this website and sign up. Once you've signed up, they'll send you an email confirmation to verify your account. On your first login, they'll show you this information board where you can see all the flow and how to use the website to make money. Make sure to read and learn about the platform's do's and don'ts. Also, remember to link your payment option to this website so that you can get paid once you're eligible for payments. Once that's done, you can start earning money by moving on to the next platform, HitPredictor.com. This is one of my favorite websites for making money while listening to music. Once you logged in, you'll likely earn money as a critic for the songs you listen to on this website. Once you've finished listening, you'll be directed to this page where you can leave a comment and rate the artist's music. Once you've finished reading, you can earn points that you can later convert to cash. The last website, and certainly not the least, is MusicXray.com. We can listen to music brands, review their songs, and earn money. According to their website, it's the industry's leading song and talent filter. You can either listen to music or submit music to check for those jobs. And that is all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.